I'm going to show you how you can go to the next level or how you can complete a level on R.E.P.O. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So once you have collected all the items, you can go and put the card right here on the extraction point. And as you can see, I have reached the quota at the top right of the screen. And this way I'm gonna complete the level. But after you complete the level, you need to do a specific thing to go to the next level. So after the extract point has been completed, you need to go to your track and you will see this button right here. So just hold left click right here on the emojis. This bar will complete, and now the engine will start and you will go to the shop. So once you are in the shop, you can buy items or buy upgrades if you want. You can just hold right here, hold the left click, put them right here. If you want to buy something, you can press there in case you want to buy an item, and after that you just need to repeat the same process, and this way you will go to the next level. So hold the click right here, the left click, and now I am at the level 2. So I need to hold the left click again, and I will arrive at the next level, which is the level 2. So that's it. That's the process you need to follow every time you complete a level. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.